What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. If this is your first time on the channel, be sure and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you're notified anytime something comes up on the channel. As you can see from those previous couple clips, the car is loaded on the trailer. It's back there, and the reason for this is we went to a Smoky Stadium event a couple of weekends ago and ended up breaking a diff. We are on our way now to my dad's shop. He has decided that he would like to, for my birthday, my birthday was a couple weeks ago, about the same time my birthday was, we snapped a diff. So he said that he would like to fix it for my birthday present. So we're gonna take it to him, he's gonna pull it apart, see what we need, order whatever parts we need in order to fix it. And I think we're also gonna be changing the gear ratio from a 391 to like a 345. We tried the 315 at Clutch Kickers, it was way too long. So I think the 345 will be a nice medium, be right in the middle, and I think third gear is gonna be perfect on Clutch Kickers track. Hit the road. So we made it to the shop, already got the car on the lift, almost have the diff out, but I want to show you guys what the fluid looks like. Look at this, we got an Audi R8, Ferrari, I think a F430 Spider or 360 Spider, I don't know my Ferraris. And then a Lambo, don't know what this is either. Show you what the diff fluid looks like now that it's full metal. This diff had blue motor fluid in it, and this is what it looks like now. Silver. It was about the color of that lift post over there when it went in. That's too big. A little bit of what came out. A whole bunch of it right there. Oh yeah. It's too big to come out the hole. Oh. That's a big piece. Yeah, pinion gear's broke. Woo! There's a big hole here now because diff is out. We gotta pull the rear cover, pull the in and sides out, see what we've damaged. We think that it is the gear on the input side, the pinion. So we're gonna pull this apart, see what we've damaged. We think we have the parts to fix what's broken and also convert it to a 345. There's a diff outside that may work, so we're gonna try that, see if it works. If so, we're just gonna put it in, button it back up, throw it back in the car, and we're done and ready for the next round of competition. So stay tuned, see what we can do.
The pinion gear is broke, and it's broke this too. It sheared the damn ring gear, I mean the pinion gear completely off.
So this is what's left of the pinion gear. And that's what it's supposed to look like. It's pretty sheared. All the pieces here for that. Some are from this ring gear, but most are from this. So what we've done is pulled apart another diff that is actually out of an E30, and we have checked everything. Everything seems to be exactly the same as ours, other than the gear ratio. So we're going to take the ring gear and the pinion out of this differential, And then we're gonna put the ring gear on my LSD pack here because it's built a little bit better than this. And then take that pinion gear, put it in my current diff so that the housing is the same, and then put it all back together. And then we're gonna have a 346 like we wanted. Alright, so we got everything put back together. Got the E30 ring gear put onto my assembly. Got the clutches in there. It's all ready to go. This is new versus old. Now we just got to put everything back together on the case. And it's time to put it back in. Well, everything's back together. Now we just got to put some fluid in it and then throw it back in the car. This is the oil we're going to put in it. It's Amsoil Gear Oil 75 140. And then we're going to put this additive in it. Fill it up till it runs out. Well, got the diff put back in it. Went to hook the drive shaft up. Tried to spin the drive shaft over so I could put in the 4 bolts to hold it to the diff. And it was struggling, so we unhooked the drive shaft to see if maybe it was just the diff or what, but the drive shaft wouldn't hardly turn, so I pulled the plug on the trans and this happened. Those chunks are not the same chunks from the differential. You can see there's a whole bunch more chunks in there. Back to square one on the transmission deal. This transmission had 2 events on it and exploded, so I guess I'm gonna reach out to Rick over at RTS and see how many houses I need to sell in order to pay for one, and try and go the dog box route, because I can't afford to keep putting these BMW transmissions in them if they're just gonna explode after an event or 2. And I paid 500 bucks for that one, which was kind of cheap, but I didn't expect it to go out in 2 events. So we're gonna have to go back to the drawing board and see what we can do on a transmission. I hate to keep putting them in there and replacing them because it's a pain in the butt with that kit, that PMC kit, because basically have to drop the whole engine. So we're gonna try and figure out what we can do. So I guess that's gonna do it for this one, but we'll see you guys on the next one. See ya.